Okay, so guys, ito mga basic candlestick pattern from our book. Napakaganda ng book na to. It's called The Trading Code. Ayan. Ayan, napakatagal na itong book na to, no? So, ayan, basic candlestick. White, tall, solid body, no tail. Usually green, di ba? Green or white. Yan, pwedeng iba yun sa chart nyo. So ito, syempre, bullish yan. The more na mas malaki yung kandila na yan, the more na nasa mga critical area ng mga support and resistance or support levels, yan, mas malaki yung ano niya, significance niya. Yan, demand is very strong, bullish follow through may be expected on this candle. So of course, kabaliktaran, pag black solid, usually mga bearish engulfing or bullish engulfing na pag mga nasa resistance area naman sila, yan, medyo ano yan, medyo malaki rin yung significance yan. And ito, white tall, short body, mahaba yung buntot. Yan, ibig sabihin the bears try to push the price lower, pero mas malakas yung mga bulls, no, yung mga buyers. So na-push nila pabalik and it ended up having this. Yeah. So again, the position of these candles sa chart natin, kung nasa support level sila or resistance level sila, that's the time that it really mattered. Yan. And yun nga, kabaliktaran, the bulls tried to push the price higher pero rejected on resistance levels. So that's why it happened. Indecision itong doji, tawag dito doji, no? Makikita mo yan talaga sa mga chart natin, no? So wala siyang body. Yan, no body, no color. Minsan meron red or green or depende sa kulay nyo, no? Pero red or green lang naman yan. Minsan may kulay pero wala siya talagang body. Yan, so very indecisive. And what comes next, that's what the trend will look like. So for example, may doji ka and then followed by this white tall solid body. Yan, ibig sabihin kung magsunod-sunod na green yan or na white, no, bullish ka. Yan, pataas. So yun lang, meron pa dito, no, mga momentum candles. So ito, okay, patalan natin, no. Ayan, so like what I said, like this, mga bullish reversal, you have a doji here followed by green candles, then it's a reversal pattern. Okay, so yung mga candles, mas magandang ipare siya, no. It's not the sole basis of our entry or exit, whatever, but it should be just one of the considerations, no. Hindi lang siya yung basis mo ng entry mo or ng exit mo. Okay, so it should be paired up with other candles and also with your other confluences like support and resistance levels, trend lines, and also may mga Fibonacci ka pa, and yun nga, mga RSI and other indicators. So yan, so it would really help us. Yan. So ito, matagal ko na siyang binabasa talaga, no, paulit-ulit ko talaga siyang binabasa itong book na to. Napaka basic niya, napakadaling intindihin, and of course yun yan, napakarami mong matututunan dito. So even if you are an intermediate or advanced, maganda pa rin siyang basahin. And even if it's more of the Philippine stocks, it's also applicable sa forex trading natin. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. You have a great day.